Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about something that I should have talked to you guys about a very long time ago. This video can actually make you money.
This is me looking to make some money.
By doing absolutely nothing, this video will actually make you money just by living your life, and it can help you travel the world completely free. And I have to talk about this subject because there are a ton of people out there that are so misinformed about this topic that they are missing out on travel and they're missing out on money. Man, I need a drink for this video. It's gonna be one of these videos.
I need a drink.
Hey, if you know what I'm saying? Attack on Titan. If you know, all right? I gotta have a drink for this video. I'm telling you, this is Glenfiddich 12. So if I pull this out, it gets serious when I pull this out now. It get very serious. I'm kind of low. All right, there we go. All right, so okay, yo, here we go. Sip. There we go. Let's dive straight into this video. All right, YouTube, so we're back. This is actually pretty smooth. All right, there we go. So what I gotta talk to you guys about is something that I seen on Instagram. This girl has said in her stories, I guess she was on a date with a guy, right? And I guess they went to a bar on their date, right? You take a pretty lady out to get some drinks. And he ordered some drinks. I guess the drinks was around $50, $60 for the rounds. And he paid with his credit card. The girl ended up going to her Snapchat or Instagram story and posting that, "Oh my God, I can't believe my date bought the drinks with a credit card. If you broke, just say that."
You're broke.
And I'm like, what? She was like, if you're not gonna pay with your debit card, at least use cash. Don't use a credit card to buy drinks. That's letting me know you don't have the money. And I'm sitting there, it's like my generation. Hold on, I gotta take a drink after that. All right. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, my generation is so, I'm gonna say it. My generation is so, I'm gonna say ignorant. I'm not gonna say dumb.
Good God, you're dumb.
But my generation is so ignorant to how good credit can be. Now, me personally, I would have used my credit card in that situation as well. Why? I can't remember the last time I used my debit card. I can't remember the last time I used my debit card. The debit card serves me absolutely no purpose. And my generation doesn't know the difference in between good credit and bad credit. Now, what I mean is that I use this amazing card right here. It's the Southwest Airlines card by Chase. And every time I swipe my card, I get points that I could use to travel anywhere. So let's say I use this card to buy those $50 worth of drinks, right? And if I use this at a grocery store, I might get 2 times the points. Or if I use this anywhere else, I might get 1 times the points. But let's say if I use this at a restaurant, this card gets me 3 times the points. I could get up 150 points or 1,500 points if it's 1%, and that is going to go towards my credit, and then I just pay that off with my bank account at the end of the day or at the end of the week. And now I got free 1,500 travel points just from buying her drinks, and that could get me as far away from her as possible because she doesn't even understand something as simple as that.
I've got to get away from you. Stop the car. I want to get out.
Now this card, I'm going to leave a link to this card down in the description. You can sign up for it. If you sign up for this card, I think if you spend $1,000 in your first 3 months, you'll get a 30,000 point sign up bonus just from using this card. And if a lot of people are spending at least $1,000 in the first 3 months, so you just use this and then you pay it off with your debit card, you pay it off with your bank. Now, if you're using your bank card, your debit card to swipe, you're not gaining any interest. You're not gaining any points from using your debit card, nothing at all. Now, a lot of credit card companies, if you sign up and you spend this amount of money, you could redeem those points for actual cash. That is money that you was gonna spend anyways, and you just pay it off with what you got in your bank. Now, you have to be smart about your credit. You can't just buy things that you can't afford and say, I'm gonna pay this out over time. No, I only use this card right here responsibly. I think every Friday before I go to bed, I end up paying off this card completely. It shows me how much I spent that week and I pay it off completely, and I gain all of those points. That is the amazing thing. I think at the time I got a 40,000 point sign up bonus, and then I just use my card, and I'm gonna pull up my account to show you guys how many points I got to where I can literally fly anywhere today I want completely free. Just from using this credit card right here. Just from using this credit card, I could go to Hawaii. I could go to Hawaii and back just from using this card. And that's why when she said, I can't believe she uses credit card, like, you're ignorant. I'm not gonna call you dumb, but I'm gonna call you ignorant because you don't know the power of using this credit card. So let me go on ahead and pull up my account to show you guys how many points I got from this. Now, I got two credit cards. I got this one, I got a Wells Fargo one. Between them two, I got around 150,000 points, but on this one, I used this one the most. I got around 85,000 points. I think I got around 85,000 points I can use, but let's go ahead and pull it up so I can show you guys exactly how many points I got, and then the importance of having good credit. All right, welcome back, dreamers. Here we are now. I'm not gonna call it dumb. I'm gonna just say ignorant because a while ago I was ignorant as well. I only have 2 credit cards that I just got within the year. I just started building my credit. My credit is around 730-ish right now. I'm trying to get it to yeah, it's around 730. I'm gonna get it to 750, and then I eventually want to get it to 800. It's pretty simple. All I do is pay off the card, and I don't spend money I don't have. Now, here we are on my Southwest credit card account. I have 85,458 points that I could redeem. And right now, I think I could fly to Cabo for like 15,000 points. I could fly to Cabo, fly back, that's 30,000 points. And I can even pay for my date that I spent $50 on at the bar to buy drinks to go to Cabo and come back with me. So I could buy 2 tickets completely free, and I could redeem those points to get hotels and a whole bunch of different amenities out there. So I could fly there, or I could just leave her for getting on me for calling me broke. Fly to Hawaii and fly back for around 70,000 points. And that's the amazing thing about having a credit card. If you use it the right way and you pay it off every week and you just don't let it build up and try to pay it off slowly over time, no, you don't do that. Only spend money you have. Swipe it every time you can, and only spend money that you have that you're gonna pay off at the end of the night, at the end of the day, the moment you swiped it, or at the end of the week like I do. And as you guys can see on my next payment, I'm going to receive 1,306 points that I could use for, I could fly to, South Africa, fly to Nigeria, fly to Africa over there, enjoy some time over there in another whole continent, other than just always going down to Mexico or Canada or something like that. Just fly over to Africa and enjoy myself. Now, you can redeem these points many different ways. You can use them for flights, you can use them for gift cards, you can use them for merchandise, hotels, rental cars, and other exclusive card member events. Now, that is pretty cool. For spending money that you was gonna spend anyway, you're pretty much getting a free bonus out of this. Now, there's different credit card bonuses out there. There's some that if you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, you get a $250 sign up bonus. So that's free money. This is money you was gonna spend anyways. Why not take that free money? Now, there are some credit cards out there that charge an annual fee, but you will make that money back in the long run. Only get a credit card if it's valuable to you. Don't get a credit card just for the sign up bonus if you're not gonna use it to its fullest potential. So this is me. I'm at 85,000. This is, mind you, this is me having this card for less than a year. So 85,000 sign up bonus and using it whenever I can. That is amazing. All right, dreamers, I had to get that off my chest. So cherry, vanilla. Hey, this Glenn Finish is pretty good. So yeah, I had to get that off my chest. If you guys want to sign up for Southwest, the link is down in the description. You can look at the sign up bonus that they're running at the time of the recording of this video. I think it's always pretty good. And if you have money that you was gonna spend anyways, don't spend money that you don't have. Just sign up for the credit card. Using my link will actually help me out a little bit, so hey, I don't mind that. Appreciate all you guys. You guys are literally the best community there is out there, so if you use that, thank you. But yeah, I just have to inform my generation, my people, you know, you guys, the subscribers, you dreamers, about the great benefit from using credit cards. And if someone is using a credit card, that does not mean that they're broke. It doesn't mean that they don't have the money. It means they're being smart. All right, and I want you guys to be smart too. Look more into it. If you guys like these credit card videos, I'm actually working close with another YouTuber. He's putting out he's making a credit video for this channel soon. I have to reach back out to him to get the credit video on this channel, and he's a genius when it comes to it. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on that video. And he's gonna break it down in ways that I can't even imagine to break it down. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on that video. But other than that, you know, this Glenn Finish is pretty good. But yeah, but I just had to go ahead and get that off my chest. But yeah, other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.